You know what's exhausting is the amount of people that are going to be commenting on this very video about my hair. We're not here to talk about that though, although it is a talking point. We're here to talk about exhausts, specifically this gorgeous Manta exhaust in front of me. Now life's too short to have boring, subpar, quiet exhausts. Today, we're going to be fixing that. Now, you're probably thinking, Sam, wait a minute, the Naughty 40's already got a loud exhaust on it. Well, it does, but it is subpar to say the least. It's rusty, it leaks, and it's been modified more times than I care to imagine. And today, we are putting that in the bin. And Manta exhausts have got a stack of variants to suit just about everybody's needs, depending on engine choice, turbo choice, and sound levels. I'm talking loud options with no mufflers, mild options with a hot dog resonator, and quiet options with a big muffler in it, depending on what you're chasing. They've also got a stack of options for different turbo and engine setups. For the 80 series alone, they do options for the NA1HZ, the factory turbo diesel, aftermarket turbo diesels, absolutely everything in between. So there really is a Manta exhaust system to suit every vehicle and all your needs. Now the one we're going to be fitting to the Naughty 40 today is their 3-inch stainless steel full turbo back system. It's completely mandrel bent, and to put it bluntly, won't fit my car. Why? Well, because the Sparesbox 80 is a little bit modified now. So all you're going to need to make this fit my car is a James. If you don't have a James of your own, I recommend you get one. We've got one standing over there looking at me with a little bit of despise in his eyes actually, but it's okay. He's going to love it. He really loves working on 40 series. Now before we get stuck into installing the new exhaust, let's have a listen to what the old one sounds like. Well, with a little bit of elbow grease, the new Manta exhaust is fitted up to the Naughty 40 and it is looking $1 million. Obviously, we did have to modify the back section of the exhaust to suit the modifications we made to the vehicle, it being a ute with a slightly shorter chassis, but it has turned out great with the help of James. There's only one thing left to do, that's to have a listen to it and take it for a drive. Let's go. If your exhaust isn't up to scratch, it's time to upgrade. If you want to check out the full Manta range, head to sparesbox.com.au.